What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, which has taken a little bit of a pump guys. It is currently up 27% and currently trading at 0.008173 cents. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Jasmy. Why has it pumped up? Yes, the crypto market is on the green side today, with Bitcoin pumping up over $52,000 once again. So is Jasmy likely to pump up higher, potentially hitting the 1 cent target later on in the week, or is it going to crash back down? And focusing on both buyers and sellers point of view, is now the time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it to take out your profits, or is it time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? And also covering its prediction for 2024, how high and how low can the crypto go? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple at 0.006 cents, just below that. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at 0.008 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. And as you guys can see, it hasn't been trading at this current value since, let's have a look here, about a good year guys. So we're going to be looking at, is it overvalued, is it going to go for a price correction, so on and so on. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. And also, just to give you guys a clear identification, the trading volume has pumped up over 670% in the last 24 hours, making it just under $300 million in trading guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason for that is, of course, it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. According to Binance, it is the third top gainer, so it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers point of view. So a lot more people are trading the crypto. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we can see that the blue and the orange line are looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, the fact that they are looking this steep makes it not realistic. The reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 12 to 14 hours, which is again not the case. By the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Jasmy to have gone for an overall minimal increase in value. However, in between that time, it is likely to hit red candles, dropping down to 0.0075 cents, just below this figure here, and then pumping back up later on this evening, afternoon time, heading up to about 0.009 cents is what I'm expecting by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction and looking quite steep as well. So once again, meaning this is not realistic. Again, exact same reason as the previous chart as to why it's looking so steep. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Jasmy to be heading over the 1 cent target guys. Finally, I'm expecting it to hit that target. Reason for that is I'm also expecting the crypto market to be on the green side for most of the week. Don't get me wrong, it is likely to hit the odd red day in between here and there, but majority of the time it should be hitting green candles, meaning heading over the 1 cent target by the end of the week is what I'm expecting from Jasmy. However, if there are any major changes to that, then I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again we still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking quite steep as well. So again, this is not realistic. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, early to mid-April 2024, I'm expecting Jasmy to be nearing the not the 2 cents target, but getting close to that target, 0.016 to 0.017 cents, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, in between that time, late February, early March, I'm expecting it to go for a little bit of a price correction, taking a little bit of a dip before it starts to pump back up in value, nearly hitting the 2 cents target in April, May, and then potentially hitting the 2 cents target by mid-year is what I'm expecting from Jasmy. But again, we do have the Bitcoin halving happening in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market, which I will let you guys know closer to the time as I get more data and more analysis on Bitcoin and the Bitcoin halving. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, we can see here that the crypto is still trading in the red zone. However, we can see that it is slowly starting to pump back up, heading towards the green zone, which I'm expecting it to hit the resistance target in mid to late April, and potentially heading into the green zone by late April and early May. But again, I will keep you guys updated on Jasmy, because this is a crypto that I cover on a regular basis and keep you guys in the loop on what to expect and what to take place. So can Jasmy hit 10 cents in 2024? 10 cents is a little bit of a push, because 1 cent, yes, I'm expecting it to hit over the coming week or two, but for it to hit 10 cents is going to have to go for a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from Jasmy at the moment, not this year anyway. But towards the end of next year, yes, it may be able to hit that target, but we're going to have to wait a good 18 to 24 months for it to hit the 10 cents target, is what I'm seeing from the way it's been performing and from the data that I've got so far. 10 cents is not this year anyway. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Jasmy to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.